How to update your profile picture in IMO. Want to change your profile picture? This guide shows you how to update your profile picture in IMO so you can give your profile a new look. First, open the IMO app, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a side menu where you can find the profile picture and other settings. Tap on your name and a profile picture will open on your profile page. You'll see your current profile picture. Tap on it and you'll get a few options. You can either take a photo with the camera or choose a photo from your library. Select the one that you want to use. Once you've selected the photo, you can adjust it to fit the frame. You can zoom in or out and move the photo around to get the perfect shot. Once you're happy with it, tap on done or save to apply the changes. Your profile picture will be updated immediately. You now know how to update your profile picture. Get ready to give your profile a new look. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.